Hey guys, Broussard Homestead, Brett and Abby making cornbread, and we wanted to share with you the recipe, and we're gonna have some fun doing it. So here's the ingredients. We got a cup of cornmeal, a cup of flour, half cup of sugar, and this is a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of baking powder. That's all of our dry ingredients. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in the bowl and get them ready to mix. And we're just going to mix those together. That's our dry ingredients. And what I like to do is get my wet ingredients in a separate container. A cup of milk. I'm going to add a third cup of vegetable oil to that. And our egg. Farm fresh egg, by the way. Right out of the backyard. And we whisk that together. Oh, I guess I should have mentioned that before we started, we preheated our oven to 400 degrees, and we preheated the cast iron skillet in the oven as well. So this is all mixed up good. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. By the way, this is a sweet Southern style cornbread. Wet ingredients to dry ingredients. Come on closer. We don't want to overmix. All right, there's our pan and stove. Our pan and oven are heated up, preheated. So we're going to take out the pan, nice and hot, and we're going to rub some butter on it. By the way, this is a pan that I had found out in the yard at a family member's house, and we completely refurbished it. Watch for a video in the future. We'll make one to show how to season cast iron. We're going to put our batter in the pan. All right, watch out. And we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. And we'll be back when that's done. All right, it's been 20 minutes. Taking out the cornbread. Looks beautiful. So scrumptious, right, Abby?
Yeah.
So awkward.
I don't like you right now.
This is what makes it golden and beautiful and delicious. And healthy. Do you believe that?
No. Definitely not.
Alright guys, so that's how we make our cornbread. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you missed anything in the recipe, we're going to put a link in the description. It's at thebroussardhomestead.com under the recipes section. So we'll link that for you. And if you learned something, if you like what we do, subscribe, and we'll be making more videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.